Welcome back, my friend. You didn't come here by accident. You came because somewhere inside you, you want to speak English better. Not tomorrow, not someday, now. Maybe you study. Maybe you watch videos. Maybe you understand a lot. But when it's time to speak, your mouth stops. Today, we fix that. In this session, you will learn how to use shadowing the smart way, not the tiring way, not the confusing way, but the way that builds real fluency. I will speak clearly. You will listen. Then you repeat with me. This is training for your ears, your mouth, and your confidence. Take a deep breath, relax your face, and let's begin. Part 1. What shadowing really means. Many people say they do shadowing, but most people do it wrong. So first, let's understand it. Shadowing means you speak with the audio, not after, not later, not in your head. You follow the voice like a shadow follows a body. You don't translate. You don't change the sentence. You don't wait. You copy the sound. You copy the rhythm. You copy the emotion. Think about music. When your favorite song plays, you don't stop to think about grammar. You sing with the singer. English works the same way. When you shadow, your ears learn the melody of English. Your mouth learns new movements. Your brain connects sound and meaning faster. That is why shadowing feels alive. You are not studying English. You are using English. Say this with me. English is sound, not only words. Again, English is sound, not only words. Good. Part 2. Two powerful shadowing styles. There are two main ways to shadow, and both help you grow. Style 1. Flow. Shadowing. This is when you speak almost at the same time as me. You listen. You repeat quickly. You don't stop the audio. It feels like running next to someone. This style is perfect for daily life. You can do it while walking, while cooking, while cleaning, while resting. English becomes part of your routine. For example, repeat with me. I am training my English right now. Again, I am training my English right now. Nice. Style 2. Focus. Shadowing, this time you slow down. You play one sentence. You stop. You repeat carefully. You listen to the vowel sounds, the stress, the pauses. You don't rush. This style is perfect when you want precision. Repeat with me slowly. I want to sound natural in English. Again, I want to sound natural in English. Excellent. Both styles are important. One builds flow. One builds control. Use both. Part 3. Why most people don't improve. Shadowing is powerful, but only if your mind is awake. Many learners practice, but stay at the same level. Why? Here are the biggest traps. Trap 1. practicing without attention. You repeat, but your brain is somewhere else. Your mouth moves, but your mind sleeps. That is not training. That is noise. When you shadow, your attention must listen first. Trap 2. Copying only words. Some people repeat vocabulary, but ignore the music of English. They forget stress, intonation, rhythm. So they sound robotic. English is not flat. It moves. When you shadow, copy the feeling, not only the text. Trap 3. Doing too much at once. Long practice with low focus creates tired brains. 10 focused minutes beat 1 tired hour. Shadowing grows from quality, not quantity. Say with me, short and focused is powerful. Again, short and focused is powerful. Great. Part 4. How to train. Like a pro. Now let's upgrade your shadowing. Choose voices you enjoy. If the voice feels boring, your brain disconnects. Choose voices that make you want to repeat. Control the speed. Slow audio is smart audio. Use 0.75 speed. Use 0.8 speed. Your brain learns better when it has space. Use your eyes. If you have a script, read and listen together. See the pauses. See the connections. English becomes clearer. Record yourself. This is powerful. When you hear your voice, you notice what to improve. Your ears become your teacher. Repeat small parts. Don't chase the whole video. Master one paragraph, then another. Strong English grows in pieces. Part 5. Make shadowing your lifestyle. Shadowing is not homework. It is a habit. You don't wait for motivation. You train even when you feel lazy. Your mouth learns by repetition. Your confidence grows by action. Repeat with me. I become fluent by speaking. Again. I become fluent by speaking. Each sentence changes your brain. Each day builds your voice. If you understand English but don't speak, shadowing is your bridge. Not once, not sometimes, but daily. Listen. Repeat. Feel the sound. Come back to this practice. Shadow again. Grow again. This is the path English. Your voice is your power. Your action is your future. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And keep building your path.